Hey everyone! If you're having trouble mentioning someone on Instagram, whether in stories, comments, or posts, don't worry. Here are a few steps you can follow to fix it. Double check the username. Make sure you're typing the correct username when trying to mention someone. Even a small typo can prevent the mention from working. Next, review your privacy settings. Go to your profile, then Settings, Tags and Mentions, and make sure it's set to allow mentions from everyone or at least from people you follow. The next step is to make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if there is a newer version. Updates often fix bugs like mention problems. Finally, try logging out and back into your account. Go to your profile, then Settings, scroll all the way down and tap Logout. Wait a few seconds and then log back into your account to refresh your app settings. And that's pretty much it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the mention issue on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.